Today we are going to be using the Ninja Creami. This is not sponsored. I just love this machine so much for making desserts. We're making golden milk ice cream, coconut milk, turmeric, cinnamon, great spices, great flavor. Let's get to it. We're going to start with a half a cup of coconut cream. It's different from coconut milk. If coconut milk is all you have, that's fine. Just use full fat and make sure that it's all mixed up so it's not all separated. Half a cup right in the bottom. I make golden milk every fall. It's just a super tasty drink. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically these ingredients. It's a dairy-free, just warm drink, anti-inflammatory properties, just super tasty, very, very warm spiced. But now it's spring and I want that flavor still, so we're making the treat version. We've got our coconut milk, and then we're gonna go in with honey. You can also use date syrup. When using honey, we do a full tablespoon of this, and we have to mix it into the coconut milk as best as we can before all this other stuff goes in. Otherwise, it will not mix. Honey does not mix into cold liquids very well. So we're gonna break up this honey as much as we can so that we're not left with just one big clump kicking around in the bottom. To that, a cup of frozen bananas. You can also use frozen mango if you have that. Peaches works good, avocado works. This is something that just gives us a good texture. Really helps with the creamy aspect of the Ninja Creami. Turmeric, I try and use turmeric a lot just because it has good anti-inflammatory properties. It's a very beneficial spice. It does have a pretty strong flavor, so I sprinkle a little bit into a lot of things, but it is star of this dish, golden milk. If you only have a few spices that you can put in here, turmeric, cinnamon, and I would say probably cardamom, those three are the most important. The rest of these really help and round out the flavor and make it a bit more interesting. But those ones I would say are most important. This is ground ginger. We're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And then we have an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Ground cardamom is very potent, so you don't need a lot. We're going to do a pinch only of clove, also very potent. 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. All of these are spices that a little bit goes a long way. Things I've used. And then nutmeg. This, just a pinch of that. Lemon zest. We want about a teaspoon to like a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. It's about the zest of half of a medium-sized lemon. Once you have that as your base, use your milk of choice to fill the rest of the way up. I use vanilla flax milk. If you're not using something that has vanilla in it, then you may want to add just a little splash of like vanilla extract. Give that a shake. We want to mix that honey throughout, all of those spices. Let it settle, see if we get any big pieces of honey to stick on the bottom. Nope, we're good. So this one is ready to go. I have one frozen over here already, so we will swap. That way we can have two. This is what it looks like after frozen. If you have never used a Ninja Creami, I'm about to change your life right now. Your canister goes into this sleeve here. There's a blade that's attached to the top. This goes over and clicks in. And then different models attach different ways. Ours, you turn it on and then you roll it up and it's installed in there correctly. A few different settings: ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, smoothie bowl, etc. And I'm just going to do the ice cream setting. Ding! The trick to getting the best consistency is a double spin. So you can see after the first spin, it's kind of sandy looking. That's because it's just very, very cold. So I like to run a knife down the sides, pull away some of that frozen bit that didn't get grabbed. Okay. Well, I can already tell that it tastes good. One more spin. But this time, you can just do the respin option. Okay, end of the second spin. We are going to add just maybe 2 more teaspoons of honey. Right in the center. And that will get good and mixed in. And the extra sugar in there will help kind of break down some of the crystals that are still in there. One more spin. Let's see how we did after the spin. Oh, look at that. Look at how creamy that is. Yo. Yo. That's so good. I shouldn't be surprised. I know the flavor of it, but it's so good. Y'all, you have got to give this one a try. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you have had golden milk, if you're a fan of it, if you're not. Let me know what you think of this one. The flavor, it's so, so good. Be sure to ring that notification bell to find out when our next video goes live. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.